All right, Caps Ninjas, a little change from what we usually do here today. What we're going to be doing is we're going to have a couple of the Caps Ninjas out here with Child Abduction Prevention Systems. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing a special challenge today. This is going to be one of our challenge editions, and it's going to be the Sand in the Eyes challenge. Sand in the Eyes challenge. All right, and this is one of those things where if you get attacked or if somebody tries to abduct you or something, and maybe you're on a playground or someplace like that, you may be in an area where there's a lot of dirt and a lot of sand, and especially if the person's a lot bigger than you, like twice your size or something, well, then it helps to be able to take that dirt, that sand, be able to throw it in their eyes real quick and to blind them and distract them, and that way you can maybe make your getaway from there. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the Sand in the Eyes challenge today. Okay, here we are. We're with Mr. Jackson, Miss Faith, and what we are going to be doing today, we are going to be doing the Sand in the Eye challenge. Now, this is a great self-defense move. What we're going to do is we are going to practice here. We have our mannequin heads, and what we are going to do first of all is both Faith and Jackson are going to pick out their mannequin head, and they are going to put the glue on the eyes. That way when we throw the sand at the eyes, it should stick and we can see how good they are at throwing sand in a stranger's eyes that might be trying to hurt them or abduct them. All right. Now, so what they're going to do, go ahead, grab a mannequin head. Okay, and what I want you to do is go ahead, squat down a little bit. You have a seat on the ground. Go ahead and grab one of the glue things, and you want to get it in just the eyes. Just the eyes is what we're going for here. Mm-hmm.
Like that. First, I'm just going to put the glue. And glue. Just opening the glue.
Mm-hmm. And make sure to just get it in the eyes. That's the only place we want to get it, is in the eyes. That way we know if our accuracy is good or not. Because a good, accurate throw, ooh, very important. I'm guessing you got it because the white mannequin head with the white glue is kind of hard to see.
Hey, can you hold mine? For me to put it on?
Oh, teamwork. I love it. Just a little.
There.
All right. Now, glue is down. Hold up the mannequin heads. Let me see. Let me see.
He has glasses on.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah.
And there we go. Okay, now, 1 second. We are going to do our challenge. Okay, here we are with Miss Faith. We've got the mannequin head on a stick. This is the bad guy. This is the stranger. Okay, and as you can see, we have Miss Faith standing here, and she has got her hot pink sand right there next to her as if it was sand on the ground. And we, when I say go, are going to see how her throw is. All right, let's see how she did. Bang! She got it right in the eyes. That would have been a good throw and a great distraction for her to make her run away. All right. Ooh. Excellent throw. Can I get a smile? Good job. Okay, next up, we're here with Mr. Jackson. He has got his bowl of neon green sand at his side as if it was on the ground. All right, and here is his bad guy. So, here, stand up straight, stand up straight. Okay, because remember, we're being surprised here. All right, let's see how we did. It's kind of hard to see, but he got that sand in there. That sand is in the eyes of the bad guy, of the attacker. Great distraction, and that would have been Mr. Jackson's chance to make his getaway. Can I get a smile? There we go. Excellent work, you two.